Welcome at the unpacking of the new Mac Mini, the new smallest computer in the Apple range. First off, I don't think I will need it. I decided to buy an optical drive anyway, because I have some backups and some stuff that I need to access once in a while. So this is the, I don't know if you can read it, the MacBook Air Super Drive, optical drive, and it's small, simple, compact, and as always hard to unpack. Here's the plastic wrapping key of it. As you can see, it's silver, has a rubber round as foot and a USB plug. That's all there is to it. Let's put that to one side for a moment and get to the meat of the unpacking. I suppose the Mac Mini is in here. If it isn't, this is going to be the shortest unboxing in the history of unboxings. That looks promising, I should say. Sturdy carton packaging. Hopefully the hard drive survived the trip from China all the way to the Netherlands. That is why I have that crazy accent, you know. I think I said that before. Anyway, let's see how that works. Look. And there it is. The new Mac Mini. Be safe to do it this way. Let's put that to one side. This is it. I remember I used to have PCs long time ago. I used to have PCs and I remember that they were as large as a house. And this is so compact, so small and so beautiful. This is the back, always interesting. There's the AC. There's your network connector. There's your Firewire 800, HDMI. Haven't got a clue what that is. That's USB, card reader, audio out, audio in, and the on-off button. Let's see what's in here. This looks like the power cable combined with the DVI connector, because the Mac Mini now has a whatchamacallit, it's HDMI Thunderbolt. Oh, that's the new Thunderbolt. Okay, great. And this is HDMI to DVI connector, which I need because I have an old cinema screen. And this, of course, is the power cord. So, short but sweet, the new Mac Mini. And the proof of the pudding in any unboxing is, of course, will the device work? So let's switch it on. That sounds familiar and promising. The Apple logo appears, which is certainly promising. It's a beautiful device and so quiet. Mind you, my previous Mac, the one this one is replacing, is a dual processor G4 1.25, which sounds much like a vacuum cleaner when you turn it on. So for me this is extremely quiet. I think we can safely say that it works.